Infor Time Track Payroll Schedule Setup. Employees are attached to a payroll schedule through their employee type. The payroll schedule defines the length of each pay period and defines the data to be included in the payroll extract and the mapping and presentation of the data. We select the payroll schedule link on the administrator homepage to open the payroll schedules configuration form. We enter the payroll schedule and description along with the facility that the schedule belongs to. The payroll generation defines the duration of pay periods the schedule should use. The alternatives are weekly, every 2 weeks, every month, or twice a month. The extract structure specifies how the hours will be presented in the payroll extract. We can select a single record per employee, clocked and alternate hours, or breakdown by hours type. The hours format defines the unit of measure that will be used in the extract. It can be either hours and minutes or hours and decimal hours. We can set fixed length to yes if the extract requires a fixed length format. When Submit Next Change on Reprocessing Extract is set to yes, you will only see net changes when an extract is rerun. Use the extract configuration to specify which data points to include in the extract and the order in which they are to appear. For instance, we could have the employee number followed by regular hours, followed by overtime hours, followed by double time hours, followed by the start date of the pay period and the payroll schedule ID. Once the payroll schedule is saved, create the scheduled pay periods by selecting the Generate Payroll Schedules button. We can then select the View Calendar to see a 12-month array of the pay periods for the selected payroll year. This is an example of a single record per employee structure. This record contains all of the data for that employee for that pay period. This is an example of a clocked and alternate hours structure. A single record is created for clock pay and additional ones for each alternate pay method. When the breakdown by hours type is selected, the fields in the hours code portion of the form are activated, and in the extract configuration portion of the form, mapping for clocked hours no longer displays. This is an example of a breakdown by hours type structure. We get one record for every separate posting. When the fields of an extract require fixed length formatting, select the fixed length checkbox. The length and justify fields in the hours code and extract configuration portions of the form will now activate.